Mango Graham Shake by Friendship Menu. Here are the ingredients: crushed graham, crushed ice, condensed milk, all-purpose cream, ripe mango, mango condensed creamer, and evaporated milk. First, we will make the mango shake and we will need an electric blender. Add the mango in the blender. Add 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. Add 2 tablespoons of simple syrup. Add 1 cup of crushed ice. Blend the ingredients in low speed for at least 20 to 30 seconds. And here is our mango shake. Set it aside. For the second mixture, we will mix all-purpose cream and the condensed milk. Add all-purpose cream in a bowl. Double the volume of the cream by mixing using an electric mixer. If not, you can use a wire whisk or a fork until the texture becomes thicker. Add the condensed milk and continue mixing. Wait until the size is doubled. Here is our second mixture. Put it in this container. Third, put the condensed milk mango flavor in a mixing bowl. Mix until the size is doubled. Set aside the mixture. Put in first the second mixture in our glass. Gently slide the mixture into the glass. Place the crushed graham around the glass with the mixture. Add first the crushed graham. Then add our first mixture, which is the mango shake. Add crushed graham to make another layer. Add condensed milk mango flavor. Add small amount of our second mixture. Add more crushed graham. Add more condensed milk, mango flavor. Add more crushed graham. Then add cubed mango for our garnish. Lastly, add our second mixture for presentation. Enjoy your mango graham shake. Here is our friendship tips for selling. Add the second mixture around the plastic cup. Add the crushed graham. Add condensed milk, mango flavor. Add crushed graham. Add our second mixture. Add more crushed graham. Add the mango shake. Add more crushed graham. Add condensed milk, mango flavor. And more crushed graham. Add cubed mango for garnish, and lastly, our second mixture for our presentation. Thank you for watching!